Alright, here we are with the big upright baler again. It decided to go ahead and do its own thing. And what I mean by that is one of these hydraulic valves, namely this upper one, which as it looks, just got replaced. Put a new hydraulic valve in, that's why the lower one's soaked, and a whole bucket of hydraulic fluid on the floor. Anyway, that's common when you're replacing components and whatnot. AA, thank you. I did find a reasonably priced valve on eBay that was what was needed. Not the exact thing, but it was what was needed. It works wonderfully, fits, arranges, you know, the whole thing. Does good. Runs the twist hooks right down in there, just the way it's supposed to. I will get a video of the valve that I took off. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with it. The spindle inside that chooses where the hydraulic fluid goes was seizing up, and it was causing the needles every time the machine would engage. Either the needles right here that go through the bale grab the wire and pull it back through, so that these twist hooks can grab that wire and twist it into pretty much this right here. Twist the bales together, auto tie system, blah blah blah, you know, you get the gist. But replaced that valve, turned it on, operated it. It's not doing anything funky. It's working wonderfully now. So I should probably let the boss know before he comes in and starts operating the machine at some point. But yeah, I still got to call him and let him know. Oh well. Anyway, don't do what I do at home. You know the routine. Take care.